What's happening, people? In today's video, I'm going to give you guys a step-by-step walkthrough guide to trading binary options using the platform that I use, which is pocketoption.com. I've been using this platform for a number of years. I've had a huge amount of success doing it, and I've been able to generate a substantial amount of income. Now, in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to register with the platform. I'm going to show you guys how to deposit on the platform. I'm going to walk you guys through how to get verified fast, how to place a trade, and most importantly, how you guys can withdraw. Now, if you get value from the video, please make sure that you like and subscribe. You can leave any comments or questions below, and make sure that you guys have a look in the description because you're gonna find a link to my Telegram channel where I'm gonna put you guys on game about how to trade, invest, and also how you guys can generate a passive income. Now, very, very important, before we go any further, I have to let you guys know I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice, and I am not your financial advisor. Please, please, please make sure before you guys invest any money into anything that you see, whether it's on this channel or any other channel, that you guys do your own research, do your own due diligence, and most importantly, do not invest money that you are not comfortable to lose. That means no bills money and no rent money. So if you guys scroll down to the description section in this video, the first link that you're gonna see is the registration link to Pocket Option. What you guys wanna do is click that link and it's gonna take you to this page here. You can see Pocket Option in the top left, the right place for online trading on financial markets. And over to the right-hand side at the top, you click where it says registration, simply enter your email, password, confirm it. Pocket Option is then gonna send you an activation link into your email inbox. Click that link. It will then take you over to this page here. Okay, I created one earlier for the sake of this video. So before we move forward, let's talk about binary options trading. Now with binary, there's only one of two outcomes. You either win or you lose the trade. You simply have to predict which direction the market is gonna go in a set period of time. For example, you might decide that from the moment you enter the trade, the market is gonna go up and it's gonna be a 60-second trade and it's gonna stay above that entry point by the time expires. No matter if the market is 1 point or 100 points above your entry, as long as it finishes above, you win that trade. Now with Forex trading, it's slightly different because the amount of money that you make or lose is determined not just by the direction the market goes in, but how far the market moves in that direction. Now, if you guys are anything like me and you've traded Forex before, I found it stressful. I had anxiety from checking my phone every 2 minutes after I placed a trade. I didn't know if the market was gonna move in the next hour or the next 3 hours or the next week. So I was in meetings, I was in the gym, I was out with my friends constantly checking my phone. And when I discovered binary, I loved the fact that you can be in and out the market in a matter of minutes. So if you're someone that has a busy schedule, this is gonna be for you. So let's talk about how you actually place a trade on Pocket Option. So what you guys wanna do is head over to the left-hand side that says trading, and you wanna select whether you wanna be on a real or demo account. Now, I advise that you start on a demo account whilst you're practicing before you risk any real money. On the top right-hand side, you can click top up and you can decide to add balance to your demo account depending on how much that you guys want to trade. Now, if you come over to the left-hand side, you guys can see the different assets that you can choose from. So you have currencies, cryptos, commodities, stocks, etc. So let's say, for example, that we decide to trade Euro USD. Now you can see the payout column on the right-hand side is showing 91% for this currency pair. What that means is that you will receive a profit of 91% relative to the amount that you decide to risk. So let's say that you risk $10 over here on the right. You can see you can adjust that number. So you risk $10, the profit is 91%. So you're gonna receive $19.10 back. So that's $10 which you risked and the $9.10 profit, which is the 91%. Now, what's cool about Pocket Option is that if you are a fanatic about risk management, which you should be, then you can decide to risk by percentage. So for example, you might say you wanna risk 0.5% of your account balance and it will automatically calculate that for you. Now, above the amount section, you've got the time, okay? And you can adjust that by doing this, just by pressing up and down with the features, or you can flick between 3 minutes, 5 minutes. Now, typically I trade 1 or 2 minutes, and in future videos, I'm gonna be giving you guys strategies that I use. But for the sake of this video, I'm just gonna place a sell by clicking the lower button, okay? So the red button that says lower enters me into a sell. So green is a buy, which is higher, red is a sell, which is lower. So I've entered a 1 minute sell for Euro USD. Now, you guys can see the expiration time here, which is gonna be, of course, just under a minute. And on the right-hand side, you guys can see exactly what is happening with this trade. So you can see the open time and the close time. You guys can see in real time whether I am winning or losing the trade. So right now, this trade is losing because it's a sell and it's currently above my entry point. So we have 20 seconds left in this trade, and by the time the clock hits 0, if the market is below, then I'll win, and if the market is above, then I will lose. So we've got 9 seconds left, so we're gonna count it out. It looks like this is gonna be a losing trade, okay? So I did no analysis of this. This was for the purposes of this video so that you guys get the impression. Ooh, I actually broke even, and that's crazy. I'm glad that happened. So this is quite rare, but you can actually break even in binary options trading. So if the market closes at exactly the point in which you entered, you will break even. So you guys can see that's exactly what happened here. So guys, let's talk about how you withdraw. And as I mentioned in the video, this is the most important thing. For me, I hate the idea that I'd be nervous after I made money, wondering, am I gonna receive my money or not? Pocket Option has never ever let me down when it came to a single withdrawal, and they have a great support team as well. So if you have any questions about your withdrawal, then you can simply create a support ticket with them. Now, if you guys head over to the finance section and click withdrawal, you guys can see there's a ton of options at the top. Okay, now you want to select withdrawal. Now, what's important to note is your withdrawal method has to match your deposit method. If you deposited by crypto, then you can only withdraw by crypto. If you deposit by bank card, then you can only withdraw onto that same bank card. So that's really important to note. So I personally deposited by crypto, which means, as you can see on the screen, my withdrawal will be in crypto. Now, I personally like to use USDT because I don't like the idea that if I withdraw in Bitcoin, and the market dumps at the same time I'm receiving my deposit, then I'm going to be affected by that. So I do USDT, but you guys can see there's a number of different coins, but the minimum withdrawal amount is different. So for ETH, $70, for Bitcoin, $70, and for Litecoin, also $70. But USDT is 15. So you simply enter the amount that you want to withdraw, pop in your deposit address for your exchange, and you're good to go. Okay, so in my experience, withdrawals that are $500 or less typically come within 1 working day, and withdrawals that are maybe 5 to 10K, they may take 2 to 3 working days. But as I said, I have never had an issue when it comes to withdrawing. So guys, that was a quick introduction into trading binary on Pocket Option. Remember, if you guys got value from the video, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. Any questions, leave them in the comments section. Don't forget to jump into my Telegram. I'm gonna put you guys on so much free game when it comes to not just binary, but many other things as well. And I'm gonna see you guys next time.